crown has a special shape. David, your stereo is in the shape of a circle. That's right. It's round.
Leo, 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 dito, dito, dito.
A triangle has 3 sides. What a great collection of shapes for your airplane. It's a wonderful world of shapes. It's a beautiful place to be. Take a look around from the sky.
Sayaw, sayaw, sayaw.
All the different shapes you'll see.
Leo, Leo sa TV, Leo sa TV, Leo sa TV, Leo, Leo sa TV. O, sayaw, sayaw, sayaw.
That is a circle going by.
Triangle, circle, and a square. Different shapes.
Are everywhere. It's a beautiful world of shapes.
It's a beautiful place to be. Take a look around from the sky to the ground at the shape that you can see.
Yay!
The different shapes.
Yay! 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 Palakpak, palakpak, palakpak. Yan galing! Palakpakan. Layo sa TV, layo sa TV, layo sa TV, layo sa TV. Yan, ang ba?